Celebrate the rain.
Woo! It's raining!
Or die by smoke.
Nice. Yay, it's raining! We got some rain happening. Yeah,
We got
yeah.
some rain happening.
We got some rain happening.
Our plants will grow, and we don't have to feed them with water. And my glasses are very watery.
It's raining on our hike,
It's raining everywhere.
and we are happy for the rain.
Yes, we are.
Or you can just make the smoke come back and die by it.
Yes, we had too much smoke.
Too much.
Come on, Brody.
Too much.
Come on.
Too much smoke.
Yes,
Too
and you had
less
to
rain.
stay inside.
It's so boring inside. I want to go on the Xbox so bad.
You were on the Xbox.
I mean, outside.
Trampoline, yeah. You wanted to go outside, play on your trampoline, and go for walks and have fun. But it was smoky, and you weren't allowed out. You couldn't even play at the playground.
No, stupid.
Yeah, it was pretty harsh. But now we are out. Well, we've been going out early morning. But now the smoke is clearing up, and we got some rain happening, which we really desperately need. And so we are celebrating the rain. Celebrate the rain.
Celebrate the rain.
Celebrate the rain. Having fun on
And
our...
also, you may have not figured this out, or you may have. Yes, I'm the player of Game Boy Loki.
Yes.
On Roblox.
Yes, you are Gamer Boy Loki on Roblox. And this is our family channel, which is Hippie Family Fun. And we are celebrating the
Green.
rain.
If you want to be friends with me with Roblox, I'm not going to just instantly invite you. You
have to
have
tell them where you found them from.
You gotta talk to me,
Yeah.
and you have to start playing with me a lot more if you want to start being my friend, because I'm not just gonna instantly let you in to be my friends.
Right.
I did that with Loki 822, and it's so hard to respond. I like 200 things.
Too many friends.
So I go like,
Woo. We got 1.5 to go.
Yeah, I barely can see anymore.
And his glasses are all getting... It's a beautiful place we get to hike at. Golden Ears. Lower Falls Trail. We're having fun celebrating the rain. So get out there and celebrate the rain. Don't go inside and hide away. Go dance in it. Play in it. Have fun in it.
More rain dances.
Have fun. Because having fun is...
Kind of life, and it is life.
It is life. That's right. Make it an amazing day. And don't forget to...
Subscribe, like, and share.
Till next time.
Till next time, bye!
Whoa, almost dropped.